What's up, bitches? It's me. Hi. So I'm gonna do a voiceover for this video. I'm pretty sure I'm talking in it too, but that's okay. So here I'm just doing concealer under my brows, and I'm going in with a smaller brush and making that shit look good as fuck. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna do my eyebrows now with the Anastasia pomade. This shit is bomb as fuck. I'm also using her brush, and I feel like that helps a lot too. It's really fucking good. These are the products that I used to conceal underneath. I used the Fenty Beauty Concealer. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. And then I used her number 12 brush. For today's makeup look, I'm going to do something simple. I'm just going to put my bronzer shade in my crease, and then I'm going to put some big lashes on. I'm going to use this contour shade, and I'm just going to put that in my crease. I just finished putting that brown shade in my crease. That's all I'm going to do for my eyeshadow. I'm just going to go in with my Sephora black eyeliner and do some big ass wings probably. Here I'm just doing my eyeliner. I always fuck my eyeliner up, but whenever I put my eyelashes on, it makes it look kind of okay, you know? So yeah, I'm just doing some big eyeliner. I have a long ass line right there, and then I'm just going to connect it to the front. Probably fuck up a few times, but I make it work in the end. Now it's time for lashes. I'm gonna go in with a fresh pair of Lily lashes. These are in the style Mykonos. I do not know if that's how you say it, but that's how I say it. While my lashes are drying, I got my face ready for foundation. I used my Cetaphil moisturizer, and then I went in with primer. I used the Becca Backlight Priming Filter one. I just applied my lashes. Now I'm gonna go in with my foundation. I'm using the Estee Lauder Double Wear in the shade 2W2. To blend my foundation all out, I'm using the Morphe Beauty Sponge. This shit is bomb. And for my concealer, I'm using the Fenty Beauty one. I also learned a new trick that I tried in this video, and it actually worked pretty good. So the trick is basically just letting your concealer sit under your under eye for a couple of minutes instead of just blending it out right away. So I tried that, and it definitely worked. I don't really know what it did, but I feel like it gave me a lot more coverage. It looked good. For my contour, I'm using the Tartist Pro Glow palette. There is a cream contour shade in that, so I'm using that, and I made sure to blend it into my hairline. And I did it on my nose, on my cheekbones, and then also around my lips. Now I'm just going to blend this all out. I'm going to use the Morphe MV6 brush. Now I'm going to go in and bake my under eyes and my contour. I'm going to mix the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder with my Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. I'm going to go in and set the rest of my face using my Cover FX Pressed Mineral Foundation. I don't know what shade this is in, but it looks like this. Now I'm going to contour with the same shade that I used in my crease. Now I'm going to go in with some blush. I'm going to use this Morphe palette. It is the Pop of Peach one. I'm going to use the first and last shade and mix them together. Now I'm going to highlight. I'm going to use the Kylie Cosmetics Santorini highlighter. Now it's time for my lips. I'm obviously going to do a nude. I'm going to use this Kylie Ice Latte lip liner. This is my go-to. So that is all for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this look, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.